In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store won't allow you to download any apps. So it's an easy fix. First, you have to go to search. We're going to go to Microsoft Store settings. So click here, right click, and then click app settings. Then scroll down. Then we need to click repair. Okay, and then we also need to click terminate. So just make sure you click it and then click reset so that we can reset everything. And then you can go ahead and check if Microsoft Store works for you. If that still didn't fix it for you, then you might also want to check if you have enough storage on your computer. So go to storage settings. You'll be able to see over here if you have enough storage on your computer. Right now I have 79 gigabytes free, so just make sure you have enough storage. If you don't have, then make sure you delete some apps so that you're able to download apps on from Microsoft Store. The third fix that you can try is we are going to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So this should help fix the issue as well. So first we're going to type in PowerShell, then right click, run as administrator, yes. And then first you have to type in this command, then hit enter. Don't worry, I'm going to give you these commands in the description of the video. Then you have to type in this command. So the first one will uninstall Microsoft Store, and then the second one will reinstall it. And from here you can see that it's finished. So you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store, and this should fix the problem for you. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.